How to remove facial verification on Binance. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how you can remove facial verification from Binance. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your Binance app, and once you open it, it's going to bring you to this page. Now, you simply have to click this icon on the top left corner, the Binance icon. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this interface. On this interface, you simply have to click your user over here. Just click your profile picture. I'm going to click it. And then it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, you'll see this security option. Click it. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to the security page where you have many options. And now you can see you have not activated a passkey yet. We recommend adding a passkey to protect your account. If I click this option, add passkey, it's going to open this page for me. And now you can see I have to just enter the verification code and submit it. And then I'm going to just add the passkey. So I'm going to click this passkey's biometric, the recommended option. And now you can see it gives me the option to log in without password. Instead of using a password, log in using your face or fingerprint. So you can see this is the face verification on the Binance app. As I'm going to use my face ID to log in instead of a password if I add a passkey. So you simply have to not add a passkey, and once you don't add the passkey, you simply have disabled the face verification on the Binance app. And that's how you remove the facial verification on the Binance app.